What actions does glycerin have in hand creams?
It has moisturizing and emollient action. It also facilitates the spreadability of the creams.
At what concentrations is glycerin usually used in hand creams?
It is usually very varied, with the range of concentrations being around 3.15%.
How is glycerin incorporated into the creams?
It can be incorporated in two ways. On one hand, glycerin can be dissolved in the aqueous phase of the cream, or it can be added to the cream once it is made and at room temperature. An example of a hand cream formulation with glycerin could be ceralanet 15 grams, glycerin 10 grams, rosehip oil 10 grams, panthenol 3 grams, vitamin E 1 gram, phenonib XB 0.6 grams, and purified water sufficient quantity to make 100 grams.